Wake up. To stop sleeping and become alert. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Take off the alarm. To stop the alarm from ringing. Example: he takes off the alarm and stretches. Get out of bed. To leave the bed after waking up. Example: I get out of bed and start my day. Wash your face. To clean your face with water and soap. Example: she washes her face to feel fresh. Take a shower. To clean your body with water. Example: I take a shower before breakfast. Get dressed. To put on clothes. Example: he gets dressed for work. Eat breakfast. To have the first meal of the day. Example: she eats breakfast before leaving home. Pack your bag. To put things in a bag for school or work. Example: he packs his bag before heading out. Say goodbye. To tell someone you are leaving. Example: I say goodbye to my family before leaving. Leave the house. To go out of your home. Example: she leaves the house for work at 8 a.m. Take a bus. To travel by bus. Example: I take a bus to work every morning. Get a haircut. To cut your hair at a salon or barber shop. Example: he gets a haircut every month. Buy groceries. To purchase food and household items. Example: I buy groceries every Sunday. Take a walk. To go for a walk for exercise or relaxation. Example: she takes a walk in the evening. Visit the doctor. To go see a doctor for a checkup. Example: he visits the doctor for his annual checkup. Wear a mask. To put on a mask to cover the nose and mouth. Example: I wear a mask in crowded places.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.